Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater, the show where we show you what to do with your instant noodles! Mimi's playing with a bag, spring-loaded thing that's shaped like a kitty cat. And today we're making... not like you can really tell so much off of this. There's a guitar playing person there, and this. So this is Sichuan. It's a Sichuan Baijia with their burning dry noodles. Burning dry noodles. It takes 6 minutes. Burning dry noodles, chili oil noodle. And Mimi's being helpful. You're very helpful, Miriam. So what's going on? Oh, what are you doing? Are you squishing, crunching things up with the kitty? Here, give me the kitty. Give me the kitty. Oh, it's all yucky. You like slobbered all over it. You can't be doing that. You really should. You can't just drool all over everything. You can't. You want a sticker? Okay. And that is what we call the parental switcheroo, ladies and gentlemen. How about do you want way to go, or do you want super? You want way to go? Okay, way to go! Super! Good job. You don't want any of those? How about this one? This one says, I think this one says wild. Here you go. Wild. What do you say? Oh, such a silent thank you. I will drink some of my drink of drinking. You're welcome. Oh, you don't get any of this. This is full of caffeine and like things for animals. It might be called purple unicorn, but no. Huh? What? Nope. Aren't you gonna eat your lunch? No? Okay. Okay. So it's been here for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see if it's coming apart. It's coming apart. Yeah, you do this for 6 minutes, then you drain it, then you add all the stuff in with it. And there's a lot of stuff to add, let me tell you. So what's going on today? So I'm doing lunchtime with Mimi like way early. Because I've got a lot of stuff to get done. So I thought it'd be more fun instead of like doing things that way I normally do after I'd include Miriam in with me. Isn't that fun? Yeah. And we're gonna get some crayons, huh? Yeah? Do you like crayons? Ah, very picture, very good. And it looks like Otis. We have a little tile on the wall that has a picture of a pug dog on it, and our pug's name is Otis, and it's a picture of a pug. So very good. You want to eat him? You want to eat the dog? You don't want to eat the dog. No. I don't think he tastes good. Although he licks his leg so much, I often wonder, man, does that leg just taste so good? Don't you just want to, like, go and lick his leg for him and go like, wow, this is really, really good. I mean, it must be a really good flavor. I don't know. Eat, eat, eat. Eat, eat, eat. That's a package. Yeah. A second ago, a package arrived. And it's noodles, and I believe it's a box with like 2 packs of Korean noodles. The guy who shipped it, I think he shipped it like a day ago. I don't know. I guess we'll see, right? You want to do an unboxing time with Papa? We could. But we have 1 minute and 13, 12, 11, 10 seconds to go on this. I should know. Oh, you'll already have seen it by then. Well, if you haven't and you didn't know, the top 10 Hong Kong list should be out by now as you're seeing this video. It's like, where I am, it's March 28th. Where you are, it's probably like, no, it's February 28th for me. It's probably like March 30th for you, huh? So, predictions. What do you think? What do you predict is going to happen? Is there going to be fun? You predict fun. Will everybody be happy? Will you get more shoes? Shoes. Do you like shoes? Shoes. You really like your shoes that sparkle, don't you? Fancy shoes that blink, blink, blink with the lights? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you like lights. Yeah. Yes. How old are you? How many years old are you? Can you tell the nice people? You're 2. Yeah, you're 2 years old. Well, wait, let's see. No, you're not even 2.5. You are 2. You're knee deep in the terrible 2s. How does it feel to be in the terrible 2s? Hi, Mimi. Luna is a cartoon character on a PBS show and not an actual being. Yeah, so watch out. So here's the liquid goo. Pour that in there. I don't know that you're going to want to try this one, Mimi. This is spicy stuff. This is called burning dry noodle. This one is like vegetable and I believe just straight MSG. I could be wrong about being straight MSG, but and this is some kind of pickled vegetable. And basically, you stir this up. Wow, that's strong, man. I've had this before though, with a Chongqing broad noodle or something before, and man, it was good. But I have a feeling this is not the same deal. But we shall see, you know. Dare I let you try some of this? You might just start crying on me, and I don't like it when you cry. She cries for lots of different reasons, but a lot of the time it's just for attention. Not that she doesn't get attention, she just wants an abundance of it at all times, don't you? Do you like an abundance of attention? Yeah, if she doesn't get a sticker, she'll cry. If she doesn't... Yeah. Alright. But then again, she'll, like, shove poor Miles out of the way to get to a toy and then not understand why he didn't like that. Alright, should I try it? Unadulterated noodle. Are you ready? Ready, set? Can you say go? Say go really loud. Say go. Ready, set. Ready, set. You're funny. All right, here we go. Do you want to try one? They're spicy. Do you want a spicy noodle? I'm gonna be kind and not. You like Daniel Tiger? We went and saw Daniel Tiger, didn't we? That was a weird occasion. Hey. Now she's hitting. No hitting, Miriam. All done? Yeah. Alright, so here's what we've got straight out. It's got a nice heat to it. Not really all that Sichuan peppery like you would expect, even though it's from Sichuan. So we're gonna add a little bit of mung bean sprout, some onion. Honestly, I'm gonna kind of do what I did with the last one too. I'm gonna add some pork. Minking. Yeah? You don't use a binky anymore. Binky are all gone. You are a graduate of binky school. You've done so well unbinkifying. Shichimi togarashi. And some sesame seed. I want some to actually be on top. There you go, Pee-Pee. And, yeah. There we go. Shall we rotate it? There we go. Yeah, I need to get a machine to do this for me. All right. All right. Well, this has been Hans, and this has been things on the floor. All right. This has been Hans, and this has been Mimi. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And she's having fun throwing her food up in the air. Have a good one, and bye. You are really 2 years old.